When we started this company in '99, we started off with just a very small team. It was my father and my brother and myself. Started to really drive family value. We do really focus on a few key things that helped us to get the business moving ahead, and that was on people being positive at work, present at work, and productive at work. We now are running at just under 100 staff. We've got 97 staff in the business. And we are focusing on how we can improve productivity continuously. That we're trying to drive improvement in sales. And what we are trying to do is find methods within the business that helps people do more with less effort.
When we decided to automate the product, we looked around at the market at the different tools that would enable us to do that. We were already SOLIDWORKS users and supported by Solid Solutions. And we spoke to our rep, they showed us DriveWorks. We had someone come in and do a demonstration, and we decided from there that it was the right tool for us to be able to automate our product.
Some of the team were looking to DriveWorks, and what we want to be is the easiest to specify company in the world. That is our focus in the washroom, and we do believe that we have really progressed that. And the team came to me with the SOLIDWORKS proposal, and I looked at it and found ways that actually an architect now can specify our product. They can configure the system to the way that they want it to look in the washroom. And for ourselves, we really believe that it has made it a very easy to specify system.
So our biggest benefit from implementing DriveWorks into our company would be the user experience. So it was the main reason we implemented DriveWorks, which was to give the customer the ability to configure our product and be able to see all the different configurations available from that product. The configuration tool on DriveWorks has enabled the customer a tool that they can actually play with online anywhere in the world, anytime they want. They've got a meeting and they need some drawings, they'll quickly configure a load of drawings and they can literally walk into a meeting half an hour later with those system drawings. They haven't had to even talk to Dolphin. Before putting in DriveWorks and being able to automate our product, the process internally for configuring one of our products could take weeks to start with the customer. Now we've got the automation, all those production files are created without any need for the design team to even see the job, which has made a huge difference on resource. And design don't need to get involved with the job at all. So every single job now can just flow straight through operations, and we can spend a lot more time on new products and new innovations. We combine our configuration tool run by DriveWorks with our PDM Vault, which means that every time someone configures a product online, all the files are automatically loaded onto our Vault and stored there, and they're revision controlled. What that enables us to do is our sales team on the road are able to gain access to all those files. On the other end, it enables us to share our production files with our manufacturers. And again, they can just log on and download the production files via PDM Web. It's a process that evolves over time. Really, DriveWorks needs your undivided attention and time input to get it working. Our experience with Solid Solutions has been a very positive one throughout the whole journey of installing DriveWorks, right from getting a demonstration of how DriveWorks works, to time on site, helping us install the right software and actually installing DriveWorks, to then supporting as we worked on our user forms and all of our models for DriveWorks, having that support line to be able to call and share your screen and work through challenges as you go, because all the challenges happen at random times, so you need that ongoing support to be able to solve those issues when they come up.
One of the key areas in the business is caring, quality, enthusiasm, And that is all some of our core values that we are working at the whole time. And what we're finding is that we are working and we're trying to get the whole team enthusiastic behind what we're doing. And we're wanting to make it that we will be the #1 in the world in commercial washrooms.